We have the establishment of pricing objectives and related strategies. So establishing pricing objectives or related strategies is a critical aspect of a company's overall business strategy. So these objectives guides how a company sets its prices to achieve specific goals. So here are key pricing objectives and corresponding strategies. So we have the profit maximization. So anong objective na is to achieve the highest possible profit by balancing revenue and cost. Okay. So, ang strategies sa may profit maximization is cost plus pricing. So, adding a standard markup to the cost of the product. So, madugang ikaw kang um bili na no dugang ikaw bili ka sang ka product or basically you have to add a markup sa cost kang sang ka product. Example is palas kang mga siripalan nga nagapresyo kang 100 pesos or patas kang pagbuhat mo ang gingastos mo lang is 100 pesos pero ginbaligya mo tana ka 150 pesos. So that is cost plus pricing. So dynamic pricing. So adjusting prices based on demand, competition and other factors in real time to maximize revenue. So change prices based sa demand and sa imo nga competition. So example no in example ko na kayo na Uber no or mga Grab no. So nagataas ang anda nga presyo during peak hours kay because raka earn karang tag-uruli no like mga peak hours 4 to 7 no raka earn karang PM no so raka earn karang gauruli. So demand na tana no demand dun ang Uber no sila din ang traffic mga sarakyan no so ang ginhimo naman is kapataas masanda ka presyo kay because it's peak hours na. So what about the skimming pricing? So, setting high initial prices and then gradually, pag ginawa nga gradually is amat-amat, no? Gradually lowering them to attract different segments of customers. So, skimming pricing start with high prices, then nagaamat-amat na ba, no? Then lower them over time. So, example, ang sangka bag-o nga tech gadgets often launch sa mahal no. Una-unang agwa is mahal pa lang tana pero pagligad din ka mga pira ka bulan, nag-amat-amat ng tana brato. Patas naman pala sa cellphone, unang agwa ga mahal tana no kay bago pa lang. Tapos kapira na napaglumaan ng pira ka bulan nagligad nagtuig rin nag-drop ang ana nga presyo. So tawag lang kara is skimming pricing. So next is the sale maximization. So ano ang objective na kara? Ang objective na kara is to increase the number of units sold, potentially to gain market share. So, ano ang mga strategies na ginahimo nanda? So, we have the penetration pricing. So, setting a low price to enter a competitive market and attract customers quickly. So, ibig sabihin no, nagaset sanda kang bago kang naba nga presyo para maka-attract kang customers kay ang ginaano nanda is affordable no. So, kung barato wala kang customers ang mabakal. So, example no, a new streaming service offers a low subscription fee. So, 'di ba kay patas kang Netflix no. Kung ipanabaan nanda Netflix versus Disney no. So, ang Disney Channel is mahal, no? Tapos, parehas lang masanda nga content kang Netflix. Pero mas rako ang galantaw sa may Disney. So, ang ginhimo ni Netflix is ipanabaan ng anang nga subscription para rako ang customer nga maka-attract rito. Kaya patas lang man makita nanda, pero ang piliin nanda is ang mas barato. So, next is the loss leader pricing. So, selling a product at a low or even loss-making price to attract customers who will then buy additional higher margin products. So, sell one product at a loss to attract customers to buy more items. So, example, no, mga supermarkets. So, supermarkets, nga baligya sanda ka mga milk cheaply. So, ginabigay sa ka mga gatas nga barato lang para maka-attract ka mga shoppers who then buy other groceries. So, sige, brato, ya baklan pa na lang, no? Di ba kita may mga habit, kita nga amo karian. Kay brato, ginabakal natin even if we don't need it. So, next is discount pricing. So, offering regular promotions, discounts, and deals to boost sales volumes. Okay, so discount pricings, no? So, from the word discounts, no? Malaan nyo na kung ano meaning na, no? Patas gatabo na tanan ng mga seasonal sales bala. no? May mga sales sa clothing stores, sales sa may grocery stores, no? So, discount pricing ang tawag doon, karian. So, next is market share leadership. So, anong objective na karian, no? So, to become the dominant player in the market. So, ano mga strategies ang ginahimo sa market share leadership? So, we have the competitive pricing, setting prices based on what competitors are charging, often leading to price wars but aiming to capture larger market share. So, nagaginaset da ang nga product, ang presyo kang andang product based sa kung ano ang presyo kang andang competitor. So, example, ang sa coffee shop, ginamatch na kung nagpatindag ba ako ka coffee shop ko, ginamatch ko ang presyo kang akan nga mga ginabaligya nga coffee rito sa mga coffee shop nga rapid kay nakan. Okay? Kay kung magmahal ako, syempre hindi man ako gyapon pag-agtunan kang akan nga mga customers kay mas mahal ang akan nga presyo compare sa ingad ko nga coffee shop. So kailangan itapatan mo ratana. Kumbaga, may the best coffee wins na lang na siguro dyan, no? So, tawag niya ka is competitive pricing. So, how about bundle pricing? So, mo kayo naging hambal ko naging discuss ko to earn the year bundle pricing is sa sang kapag order mo dyan na natanan, no? Kung sa fast food, may burgers rin, may fries rin, may drink rin. So, kumbaga, bundle ang pagbakal mo kaysa nagbakal ko ka a la carte. No? So, next is survival. So, anong objective kang survival? So, anong gina-aim na? Ano ang goal? So, survival is to ensure the company can continue operating during difficult times such as economic downturns. So, ano ang mga strategies na ginahimo nanda? So, una is flexible pricing. So, gina-adjust or they are adjusting prices to maintain sales even when cost rise or demand falls. So, adjust prices to maintain sales. So, depende sa ekonomiya siguro, no, kung ano ang sitwasyon that time, no. Siguro kung normal lang, no. So, siguro normal naman ang presyo. Karon kung pandemic, wala na tinagbakal, nagsilid ang pandemic, no. So, wala na tinagbakal, ginabaanan da ang presyo, no. So, ang tawag diyan okay, so ang example kang flexible pricing, no. For example, no, sa ka hotel, offer sanda ka mga brato or affordable rooms kung off-season, kung bukat bala peak season, pero mas mamahal pag na kung peak season. Kay peak season, nako nag-aagto nga tao. Kung low season, gamay lang aga-agto. So, inabaan nanda ang presyo ka hotel nanda, no? Kay, syempre, affordable, no? Para mangin affordable. So, how about the temporary discounts? So, offering significant discounts to clear inventory and generate cash flows. So, ibig sabihin kan temporary discounts, they are offering big discounts to boost their cash flow. Sa example, ang sangka bookstore, so they palas ka mga national bookstore, so basically garan sanda kara ka mga clearance sale nga ginatawag, no, ubusan sale, something like that, no, to move inventory. So pagaon daray baligya da tanan nga mga product nga kumbaga kailangan ma-dispose rin nandara, kailangan mabaligya rin nandara tanan para ma-clear na nandrang inventory tapos sidlan da pagid kapag o nga product. So, amorang natawag nga temporary discount. So, next is product quality leadership. So, ang goals ni product quality leadership is to build a loyal customer base through fair pricing. So, gina-position na kaya or ang product quality leadership position as the highest quality product. So, anong strategies ang ginahimo ni product quality leadership? So, they have the premium pricing first, no? So, setting higher prices to reflect superior quality, features, and brand prestige. So, set high prices to reflect quality. The more nga mahal, the more nga nami. So, patas ka mga luxury cars like Mercedes-Benz, no? Mga Lamborghini, no? Mga sports car bala, no? So, they have high prices, no? So, that is premium pricing. So, value-based pricing. So, pricing based on the perceived value to the customers, emphasizing the product's unique benefits and quality. So, price-based sa atin nga gina-perceive nga value. So, amo value-based pricing. So, example, organic foods. organic foods price higher or mas presyo ta na nga mas mahal ta na kay because gina-perceive natin or because ang organic foods is makatugro kang health benefits, that's why nga mahal ta na. No, kung bisan kung nakaagtunan ka mo sa store nga mga may mga store I forgot the name, organic, basta may mga store sa raman ta na nga sikat nga store nag-offer sanda ka mga organic products, mga basically mga grocery lang man, mga chocolate, but it was made for organic. So kung i-compare mo ang presyo nanda sa may normal nga grocery store kung mabakal ikaw sa mga organic shops, mas mahal ang sa organic shops kay ang gina hambalan na sa customers na is because mas healthy, healthy options wala ang store, so mas healthy ang products na gina-offer nanda compare sa products nga mabakal mo lang sa may normal nga grocery stores. So next is customer satisfactions and loyalty. So ang objective na karian is to build a loyal customer base. So ano ang strategies nga ginahimo nanda? So customer value pricing. So setting prices based on customers' expectations and perceived value. So ensuring customers feel they are getting good value for their money. Okay, so um, customer value pricing, price based on what customers see as fair. Okay, so example, a fair price gym membership offering good facilities. So kumbaga gabayad ikaw sa fair naman yung presyo nga kung anong ginabaydan mo, amo man yung quality nga mabuol mo, hindi kuon nga nagabayad ko ka mahal-mahal pero ang service nga natugro na kanimo is hindi nami, no, so it's not fair. Okay, so what about the loyalty program? So offering discounts or rewards to repeat customers to enhance satisfactions and loyalty. So, loyalty program. So, discounts or rewards para ang customer mo is magbalik-balik. So, for example, no, coffee shops offer a free drink after 10 purchase. Yes, no. Bisan ang mga Starbucks, no. So, like sa Starbucks, no, before ginahimo naman naka office mates ko, no. So, kung maka 17 or 18 ka coffee sa silid ka 1 month, no, so may stubs na nakarang ginatug parang stickers siya tapos ginadakat rian, no, ginastamp nang dayaan kung nakabakal ka kang coffee ginadakat nang dara, so amurang anda nga pala tandaan. So sa silid ka 1 month kung naka 18 ka coffees ka pwede ka makabuol kang free tumbler or ang cup, no, kang Starbucks, no. So ang tawag gali dyan karaan is loyalty programs or the under customer satisfaction and loyalty. So next is the social and ethical objective. So ano ang goals na kayaan? Is to reflect the company's commitment to social responsibility. So strategies, we have the fair pricing, ensuring prices are fair, affordable for a broad audience, sometimes sacrificing higher profits for social goods. So, ibig sabihin nun, keep prices affordable for everyone. So, ginahimo natin is set kita kang presyo nga kaya katanan. Okay? So, example, no, mga generic medications bala, no, mga bulong nga generic. So, mas barato ra ta na compare mo sa mga iba nga bulong. Okay? So, patas sa paracetamol, no, kung baklin mo ang brand nga paracetamol, mga biogesic nga paracetamol gid is mas mahal compare mo sa paracetamol nga generic. So, okay, so that is fair pricing. So, how about this sustainable pricing? So, pricing products to reflect environmental and social costs often higher to account for sustainable practices. So, reflect environmental costs. So, example, eco-friendly products priced higher due to sustainable materials. Okay, so next is implementation steps for pricing strategies. So, market research, no? So, understand the market dynamics, customer preferences, and competitive landscape. Okay? So, example is we are surveying customer preferences. So, gatugro kita ka mga survey para maman-an natin kung ano giman ang gina-prefer, ano ang gusto kang atan nga customers. So, next we have the cost analysis. So, calculate the cost of production, distributions, and marketing to set a baseline for pricing. So, gina-determine natin ang gastos natin when it comes to productions and distributions. So, we are calculating total cost for making a product. So next is the value proposition. So define the unique value your product offers compared to competitors. So, gina-define mo ang imo nga products o kung ano ang unique sa product mo ni or ano ang benefit sa product mo nga riyan. So, example na you are highlighting how your smartphone has the best camera compare sa iba nga mga smartphones. So, next is segmentation. So, identify different customer segments and their price sensitivity. So, gina-identify mo ang mga iba-iba mga different customer groups and their price sensitivity. So, example nyo, different prices para sa mga estudyante and mga different prices man when it comes sa mga professional softwares or mga professionals no nga kaya magbakal kang amo ka nga bagay. So next is testing and adjustment. So implement pricing strategies on a small scale, gather feedback and adjust as necessary. So try prices on a small scale and adjust. So example, if you're running a limited time offer and gathering customers feedback. So conclusion. So, anong conclusion natin sa establishments of pricing, objectives, and related? So, setting pricing objectives and strategies involves a deep understanding of market conditions, customer behavior, and company goals. By aligning pricing strategies with specific objectives, business can effectively compete in the market, maximize profits, gain market share, ensure long-term sustainability, and build strong customer relationship.